Hello there, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus again. Here we have a 2011 Cherry J11 with a 2-litre automatic. Pretty straight car, a few little parking bins here and there, set of wheels on it, grey leather trim. I think it's about 150,000 Ks on the clock. Front wheel drive automatic, transmission's not working the way it should, so that's why it's here. Jump in here and get our compliance plate for you. Here we are down here, 611 T1X series. Standard gear in there, grey leather, well worn. I'll pop the bonnet for you. It's got a set of factory wheels on it, reasonably good tyres. Rims aren't too bad. Just a second while we pop this open, a bit difficult here. And there we go, it's up. Okay, at TK 16 valve, big block. Hidden under there. I'm going to start it up for you. What have we got? 154,224 kilometres. So the engine's fine, it's just the transmission's not working the way it should. And away we go. Stereo too. A bit of reverse camera here. Okay, there we have it. One Cherry for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Easy Cherry parts or any other car parts for that matter, give the guys a call on 46461733 and they'll be only too glad to help you out. Okay. I'm going to rev and put to bed. Thanks for watching and bye for now.